English Shadow Podcast.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the English Shadow Podcast, a place where you can learn English step by step at your own comfortable speed.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we're going to help you feel confident in a mobile phone shop.
Our topic is getting a SIM card, choosing a plan, setting up data and calls, and fixing simple problems.
We'll keep everything slow, clear, and friendly for A1 to A2 learners.
Ready? Let's begin.
We arrive at City Mobile.
I need a local number for work and maps.
I need data for messages and calls. Let's ask about prepaid plans.
Good idea. Prepaid is simple. Pay first, then use it.
Okay, let's go inside and speak to a staff member. A staff member greets us. Hello, welcome to City Mobile. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like a SIM card with data and calls, please.
Do you want prepaid, pay as you go, or monthly, contract?
Prepaid, please. I'm new in the city.
We have 3 prepaid plans. Basic, 5 gigabytes data plus 100 minutes equals $10. Standard, 15 gigabytes data plus unlimited texts equals $18. Plus, 30 gigabytes data plus unlimited calls and texts equals $25.
I'll take the Plus plan. I use video and maps.
I'll take the standard plan. Do you have an unlocked phone?
Yes, it's unlocked.
Perfect. Do you want a physical SIM or eSIM, digital?
eSIM sounds easy.
Okay, I'll print a QR code for you. And for you, sir, I'll take a physical SIM. May I see your ID, please?
Here is my passport.
Thank you. I'll create your accounts. What language do you prefer in the app?
English, please.
Done. Please sign here to accept the plan. I ask, can I keep my old number from another company? The staff says, yes, that is number porting. Fill in this small form with your old number and account code. It takes 1 to 24 hours. Okay, I'll port my old number.
I don't have a number here, so a new number is fine for me.
All set. The total today is $25 for Emma and $18 for Daniel. You can pay by card.
Card, please. Tapped.
Card for me, too. Approved. Here is your receipt and a small bide. We can activate the SIMs now. Please open Settings, Mobile, Add eSIM, and scan the QR code.
Scanning. It says eSIM added.
Good. Turn on mobile data. If data doesn't work, we'll check the APN, Internet settings. For your physical SIM, insert it with the phone off. Then turn it on.
Done. It asks for a PIN.
Default PIN is 0000. You can change it later.
I see signal bars and 4G.
My phone shows 5G. Nice. Now download our City mobile app. In the app, you can check balance, buy extra data, and chat with support.
Downloading. Installed. I'll create a password and log in.
I'll enable notifications for low balance.
Can I set up voicemail?
Yes. Dial 123, follow the voice, and record your name.
Hello, this is Emma. Please leave a message. Done.
I'll do mine too.
What about hotspot? I sometimes share data with my laptop.
Hotspot is included in Plus and Standard. In Settings, turn on Personal Hotspot and create a Wi-Fi password.
It works. Great. How can I top up later?
3 ways. 1. In the app with a card. 2. Buy a top-up voucher and enter the code. 3. Turn on auto top-up each month.
I'll use the app. Can I travel? How does roaming work?
You can buy a roaming pack in the app. For example, 5 gigabytes for $10 in many countries. Turn on data roaming only when needed. Clear. Thank you. Do you have an international calls add-on? I call my family abroad. Yes, 100 minutes to selected countries for $5. I'll add it for this month.
How is your coverage outside the city?
Here is the coverage map. Green is strong. If you go to the mountains, use Wi-Fi calling when possible.
Good to know.
If I lose my phone, what should I do first? Use the app or call us to freeze the SIM. Then use Find My iPhone/Find My Device. We can issue a replacement SIM for $5.
Understood.
If I decide the plan is not right, can I change plans? On prepaid, yes. You can switch on the next renewal date.
And if I want to return the physical SIM?
Unused, unopened SIMs can be returned in 14 days with a receipt. Activated SIMs are non-returnable, but you can stop next renewal.
That's fair.
Any student discount? If you verify your student email, you get free 1 gigabyte every month.
Nice. I'll verify tonight.
We're ready. Thank you for the clear help.
You're welcome. If you need support, tap Help in the app or call 611. My data is fine, but your internet looks slow.
Yes, messages work, but web pages don't load.
Let's fix it step by step. First, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off.
Tried it. Still slow.
Next, restart the phone.
Restarted. Still the same.
Check mobile data is on and Wi-Fi is off.
Mobile data is on, Wi-Fi off.
Maybe the APN isn't correct.
Where do I see it?
Settings, mobile, access point names. What does it say?
It's empty.
That's the problem. Let's call 611.
A support agent answers, "Hello, City Mobile Support. How can I help you today?"
Hi, my data is not working well. Calls are fine. I think the APN is empty.
For security, can I verify your name and date of birth?
Daniel Gray, April 12, 1997.
Thank you. Please enter this APN, citynet. Leave username and password blank. Save, then restart data.
I saved it. Turning data off, on. Now I see 4G and pages load fast.
Great. The agent adds, "I'll also send carrier settings to the phone. Please tap Update when it appears."
Got it. Updated.
Anything else today?
One more thing. How do I buy extra data if I run out?
In the app, tap Add-ons, then Data Booster. For example, 2 GB equals $3.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Problem solved.
Yes. Today I learned useful phrases like, "I'd like a prepaid SIM, please." "Is my phone unlocked?" "Can you activate eSIM?" "How do I top up?" And "My data isn't working. Can we check the APN?"
And for travel, do you have a roaming pack? And please freeze my SIM. My phone is lost.
Friends, we hope this mobile shop story helps you get connected fast.
If this episode helped, please subscribe and share it with a friend.
See you next time on the English Shadow Podcast.